Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix USB debugging is not working after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your USB debugging is not working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you just have to go to settings tab here, just scroll down, and to make sure that you have enabled your dual port option, because sometimes it might be that your dual port option is not enabled, so you are unable to find your USB debugging or to customize or to change switch your USB debugging. So I recommend you have to go to about phone and go to software information. Make 7 clicks on this full number. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You must see this allow developer settings. Just click OK. Go back and you will see the developer options here. Click on it, just scroll down, and you will see the USB debugging here. You can easily enable that from here. But if you find the issue that your USB debugging is completely grayed out or it's not enabling, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically, it happens when your phone have enabled the auto blocker. You have to go to security and privacy, scroll down, and just disable auto blocker from here. Click on turn off. After disabling auto blocker, just go back and go to developer options again. Go to USB debugging and just retry to enable it. This time your USB debugging is enabled and now it will work. But if you're still getting the same issue, your USB debugging is enabled but it's still not working, so I recommend you have to make sure that your USB cable supports data transfer, because sometimes it might be that the USB cable you're trying to use doesn't support data transfer, so you might get these type of issues. You can try to change your USB cable. You have to also make sure that your USB cable is not corrupted or is not physically damaged, because sometimes it might be that if your cable is damaged, it might not work for USB debugging. But I recommend if your USB debugging is not working due to any reason, so you can try to enable wireless debugging. If your PC supports wireless debugging, so you can try to connect your phone with the same network as your PC is connected, and then you can try to connect wirelessly or using your Wi-Fi here. Just click on this pair your device with QR code. You can also use pairing code to connect your device with your PC for wireless debugging, and this time you might not get an issue like that. The better performance or the better way is to use the USB debugging, but if that's not working for you, so you can try to use wireless debugging. So in this way your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.